Hi again, welcome back to the LearnRHEL YouTube channel, specifically in the playlist associated with the Oracle VM VirtualBox tool. This particular episode is going to be about continuing on from what we learned the other night, and specifically on the topic related to installing the extension pack. I'll show you what that looks like for the extension pack file that we downloaded before. It's going to look something like directory we had from the other day. E drive, application installers, Oracle VBox. Again, you won't necessarily have this, but this is what I do. And here's the extension pack. So what I got to do is use the tool here and navigate and find this file here to import the package. So we'll go to File. Now it's into Tools. That's actually a slight change from previous versions. And then go to the option here. It says Extension Pack Manager. Okay. And the GUI change. It used to be that a window dialog box would pop up, but now it's not. Click here on the install because we need to actually go find the package. Again, back to the E drive, application installers, go to Oracle, VBox, and there's the one and only file that we're looking for. Click the open button. Do the install. Yes to commit the action. Let's go ahead and accept this. I agree. And then do yes. And it should take about a moment, and there it is installed. So you either install it or you uninstall it. That's really the legal option. And again, if you update your Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager tool, which is again the whole GUI, then you will want to also update the extension pack to match the same version. Makes sense. All right. So the next video will be about creating a virtual machine, and I will create that video here shortly. Thank you.